How about that? Chick, chick, chick. All right. Let's go make a little, let's go make a little. All right. We got to get a little FAQ page built. I have no idea how the music sounds with me talking, so if it sucks, let me know. What up? Hey. Joseph, what up? What is happening? All right, we got to make a little FAQ page here. And we got to edit it up for Mr. Scales AI. Make sure you guys can see that. If you want the full screen too, let me know. We can jump into full screen tutorial mode. But we're just doing a little client action today, working on an account. So I was like, well, are you smooth like butter on hot popcorn, my guy? Butter on hot popcorn. That's how smooth. Jordan, see, you didn't even have to wait for it. It was just there. So proof. Get all this swapped out for my guy. Doing a little high level agency. So if you guys got any questions, make sure and drop it in the chat. But if not, we're just hanging out and doing a little work. So figured why not? Change this out. Are you even vibe move? Well, yeah. Of course. We're building a website. We're building an AI contact system. We're hanging out. We're vibing. We're chilling on Saturday. Not doing tutorials, just, hey, well, we got to do a little work. Let's hang out. What are you doing today? Anything cool? Jordan is gone. See you, Jordan. All right. Well, we can get our work done. Edit this header up here. We'll fix some SEO for Mr. Scales. I believe we're going white. Get that out of there. Let that be auto. Whoa. Get rid of some of this old stuff. Delete that out. We gotta match the squeaky clean. Why do your messages keep getting retracted? What are you doing, Jordan? Alright. We go get that Scales AI header. What am I looking at here? Alright, we're going home. Book a demo. Pricing. Switch that out. And we gotta go FAQ. Get these out of there. Get out. Jordan, what's going on, man? Your messages keep getting taken out. And yeah, man, white glove, squeaky clean, all day. You? What up? What's the next one I gotta do, Jordan? I gotta add that privacy and policy out of there. Get out of there. You gotta get the T's and C's out of there. Whoa. All right. Get this site going. Where were we? Get that out of there. Get out of there. Hello. All right. What are we on to next? We gotta go step. We gotta get this funnel all set up for Mr. Scales. Get to that funnel step booking calendar, baby. Pricing set up this morning, so he's good to go there. We're gonna be building you. And we're gonna go back through the other, well, some of the other. We'll just double check. Make sure it goes to the FAQ. Yeah, no. Privacy policy. Gotta go alt text. Oh, make sure you get your alt text in there, people. Don't be just leaving it all willy nilly and such. What are we doing here? I'll go in menu. Bam. Go. Scales. Where we're gonna go get that from the Scales AI conversation AI. Use your FAQ doc, people. Don't make it harder than it should be. I don't know if you guys can hear me. How about now? Does that sound better? I mean, how is the music volume? I can't tell. You guys, somebody in the chat's got to tell me. Jordan, you still there? Could you hear me with the music on, Jordan? I don't know. We'll see. But either way, we got to get this built up because what our goal was for Mr. Tim and Scales AI was we got to get that FAQ built. We got to get all the pages ready to go so that we can apply for A2P compliance for his company, get a phone number, all that good stuff. All right, copy paste, copy paste. See what I'm saying? Like you gotta have something to do while you're doing this copy paste. I mean, we got it in our AI employee, but we gotta put it on our website and make sure we have all our site pages ready to go. Because if you don't, what happens? You apply for AI SMS phone number and you don't get it because you didn't have your website right. All right, people. What are we doing here? You can have an AI SMS contact reactivation system. You got to have all of the information on your website correct. Or else you're just going to be spending money to not get approved. It is important. You put your FAQ doc together, you get all of your information aligned between your AI employee and your FAQ and your website and all of the above, which is keyword research. All right. Question. We're making this from Scales AI. Oops. You put a Y in there, huh? Yes. Figure that out. And you just put in the information. What is this? So what does AI actually do? Does it write my website content? Not entirely, but it kind of does. This is some good information too, because it'll give you, an idea of, all right, what type of question and answer can we really put into our AI employee to make it sound a little more natural. I mean, these are going to be a little bit longer answers out of the gate, but when you are training your AI agent, what's important to remember is you got to have that foundation set first. And it can be, I mean, a lot of people approach it to where, let's see, I'm going to try and just load this all up in one day and then never have to do it again. And it's like, it's not really like that. You got to work with it every day, lay the foundation, add some more, just, little pieces every day. You don't have to go crazy. I mean, this will probably be done in 10, 15 minutes, right? And what's nice about it is it will be, I mean, it's already the foundation in his AI employee, but now we're going to have it on our website content. We want to be clear on what we do. And then when we do submit our text message campaign for approval, the information that we are texting about is going to match the website content and how we represent the business online. Now that's important because you can't say, hey, here's what we're going to do on our website, submit an SMS campaign, and then do something completely different. You will get your campaign shut down. So don't do that. Right? Now, this is a little bit monotonous, but that's why we're doing it live. Because it's like, hey, who's hanging out? Oh, stop giving me that. Get out of there. All right. And we're going to copy that. Paste that. And once we get this FAQ page done, we should have all of these sections we need to start submitting that campaign. When Scales AI fires up a phone number, we will be ready to submit the campaign. Submit the campaign. That's how we talk. That's how we talk when we're live. We can't say campaign. Oh, I know. I'm just making short little updates and making it hard on that autosave. I'm sorry. Boom. And then boom. Boom. You mentioned EEAT. Oh, man. All right. Copy you. Paste you over. What we're doing is we're setting up a high-level agency for Mr. Tim Francis and Scales AI. They are an unbelievable SEO authority. I mean, this guy is getting people ranking first in like 4 hours. It's nuts. He is good in that SEO, and that's what I'm going to be doing after this. I'm going to go over to my website and just make some changes. I figured, you know, if it's something I gotta do, we'll just live stream it, no biggie. You gotta keep that tagline. I'll let him decide, but I mean, matches mine, sounds good. That black. Oh. Oh. Looks good. We want to make this match. Scales AI LLC. We want to make that match the exact name, because when you go to apply for the compliance, it's going to matter. Icon color. Go team and scale.ai. What's it gonna do? I need that phone number. Gotta love it. Give me that footer info. Zoom. 772. I gotta change that. Icon. Select. Phone. Bingo. There you go. 772 267 1611. Scales AI. 772 267 611. Have that contact info ready to roll. Save. Oh, we gotta change you. Give me that SEO data. Content. Ooh. What? That's not right. You telling me? Just take your time when you're setting this thing up. A lot of people just skip over this. Just go ahead and fill out all of your stuff so the old Google machine knows what you're doing. And make sure you know how to type. Social image. Share that. Give me that arrow. We'll take these out. That'll be a good one for Tim to do for a little lunch and learn. Save. All right, let's check this one more time. Make sure our links are working. Book a demo. Pricing. FAQ, T's and C's, privacy. Okay, you're good. You are golden. Alright, now we gotta go home. Home on the rain. Where the deer. Sorry, you don't need to hear my singing. Unfortunately, right now we have to get a couple builds done. We got a lot going on right now. And you know what? When you gotta just do it all at once, you live stream it. Because why not? You just gotta go full send. Send it. Alright, let's get those keywords in there. Bam. Tim. Francis. Social. Meta tags. Mechanical links. Update. Save. SNU. Home. Demo. Pricing. FAQ. T's and C's. Privacy. Save. And we're just going to go down and check each page. I mean, it says it's a global section, but I do pull in some of these pages from other funnels. So whoa, easy, tiger. All right. On to the next one. Oh, I gotta check the rest of them. Good. Booking. Home. Done. Booking. Done. Pricing. Done. FAQ. Done. T's and C's. Done. Privacy. Done. Error. Got it. Publish. Thank you. Let's check these two. Okay. Home. Book. Pricing. FAQ good. T's and C's. Privacy. And we are golden on the thank you page. Now, let's see what the next one is. T's and C's. Oh, this is the part when you're setting these up that's like, you know, you still got to go through the routine of hooking up links and making sure, you know, everything works. Kind of the monotonous side of it, but pricing. When you get all this right, then you can go ahead and start deploying a lot of those AI activation systems. But unless you get this right, you can't apply for those systems. T's and C's. And this is going to be your customer facing dashboard UI. Basically your website, but it ties in with the business optimization software. Thank you, done. T's and C's. Privacy. Okay. Publish that. And pricing. We'll see what he wants to do with this community. So home, book, pricing, FAQ, T's and C's, privacy, save, publish.